Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to put items to your shopping cart and how to order them on the DoorDash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home icon down below, select your location and select from these categories based on what you want to order. Select another or select a restaurant that you are interested in. Then tap on the relevant food that you want to add to your shopping cart. Here you can find in the featured items section their offers. Click on add to order if you are satisfied with it. You can select options that are displayed. Click on the OK button if you want to proceed with your order. Now it is loading in. Here you can tap on view cart and check out the items that you have added to your shopping bag. If you want to add more items, tap on the add more items button. Here are the most ordered items selection. You can add the promotion code. Here is the total price, so tap on sign up to check out. You can type in, or you should type in your email address, first name, last name, country, mobile number, password, and sign up, and then you will be able to proceed with your order, select the payment method and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.